I am a Vollidiot. Adjusting the microphone. Hello. 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 Der Tosen hat geschissen. Ah, Scheiße. Bob, da ist am Sessel. But I am not strong. Mit SCA. Was ist denn da? Habe ich die? Ihr Amazon, ja, das ist ja Kummer, aber wo ist das andere? Song hat dieses Kummer. So I ordered this beer, right, and this beer has 5.2 on volume %. There's a lot of citron in and a bit vodka. Tastes like actually these, what I was saying, actually 2.5%. These beer mixed with lemonade. But it has 5.2. But the price is actually okay. There's actually lemonade with beer mixed a liter at $2, and these one have actually $2 the same. Only not a half liter. It's 333 milliliter. Got the Ozen. Fuck hell. Not so complicated. Tastes awesome. Seriously. Oh, da werde ich morgen schwitzen. Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2. Week is long and I'm not strong. Yeah, today we was concreting, right, and on a already existent wall, so we on a one-sided, we just concreted, and you know, I'm frightened all the times when these fuck shit actually open up. Then so it opened up, you know, it just opened up, and the last liter of concrete was going into it, and it cracked actually, and 5 centimeter down below was going open. And don't ask me what kind of word is for Schalung und Scheißdreck. I don't know. Sorry, my English sucks for the construction site area and stuff like that. Words and, you know. Do I know even my name? It's nothing like that. What the hell I'm talking anyway about here? Read the line. Kali. So nothing special today, like yesterday, like for 2 days, for 3 days, for 4 days, and I just, you know, I'm getting old and too used, and I don't know, just should actually watch out for a coffin or something. Trying it out, testing it for myself, you know, if it fits, if it's having luxury, how's it called? Luxury comfort or something. Oh gosh. The coffin, you know. I mean, it's just that sometimes in these 2 weeks vacation I should try maybe days longer as I normally try by a minute. Or maybe I just closing the coffin. I don't know, my nose is running all the time, so this is so poor. Like I'm poor as well today. I think I need to go to sleep right now. Let's just wake me up if 2 hours are just gone and we're just closing then that live stream, and I think that's better, right? To get the shame away from myself. Man, I hate that. It's like, you know, I want to try to talk, but the music is in the background running, and then I hear myself through the headphones. This is so fucked up. It's like you hear yourself and then double somehow, because this noise in that headset itself is fucked up. Seriously, it's like vacuumation or something for the ears, and I hate that. Especially when your nose is full and you can't breathe anymore and you get pissed by yourself. Fucking pissed by home. Alright. Let's find out actually on the cell phone. Cell phone says nope. Get yourself. Hurl here, hurl there, hurl there. Just hurl. I'm talking to myself. Wonderful. Oh. Oder auch keiner.
Hello all.
Hell to all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. Let's smoke. Let's drink tequila. Let's drink a bit beer. And then go to sleep. Food's already done. Forgot actually to brush my fingernails. Down below, you know what I mean? Ugh. I was not in the mood actually to shave myself, but I just did it. And then I forgot actually my fingernails. Fucking crap. Normally that happened, you know. I'm lousy today. I'm bored. What's the feeling? The energy cell actually is 0. Oh, hello. Oh, fucking hell. Sorry. For sake, fuck hell. There we go. Alright. Let's get nuts in here. Let's try das Vehikel out a little while. Was wird das denn tun? Kompletten Verstand verloren oder was? Alright, we tested enough. Oh gosh, I don't want to play these. This is so boring and slow and boring and... Smack me up with everything. Oh my god. I'm so tired. Help me out of my misery. I just shoot myself. Project I never end up with. See what will happen. Tried it a lot. MacGyver Mick. How's your world for today? Party man. Oh, what happened here? Sorry, dude. Wo ist denn wieder die Musikliste? Nee. Kennt schon wieder, ja. Oh, jetzt ist es laut. Halleluja. Now we're talking. Die ist abgefahren, ich habe ein Lüser Lutgoldbrot oder die ist nicht geschissen, gespielt. Entschuldigung, habe ich gerade geschissen gesagt. Ah, sowas war geschissen, aber. Cradles. Jawohl, jetzt ballert die Mucke. Hey, mir läuft ständig die Nase, ne? Ich weiß nicht, was jetzt los ist. Ah. Ja. Wut. Heute geht wieder eine Tequila-Flasche drauf. Ist die überhaupt noch kalt? Eigentlich nicht, ne? Muss man schnell Tequila nachfüllen. Just want actually getting the tequila into the fridge. Second, please. Uh-oh, there's no tequila anymore. That is crack. Was haben wir da überhaupt noch? This is seriously crack, dude. Oh, crazy, ich hab nur noch Rum und Cola, Alter. Na, da wird's der Vogel raushauen heute. Ach du Scheiße. Ich hab kein Tequila mehr. Aber letztens habe ich ja keinen geholt. Ja, Horsecock Semen Farmer, Alter, was machst denn du mit deinem Leben? Jetzt haben wir keinen. Also ich hab noch Gin. Warte mal, dann trinke ich erstmal den Gin her. Ist auch mal weg. Da ist die Cola, ohne Kohlensäure natürlich schon. For fuck's sake, seriously. Ich dachte, ich hab noch einen. For fuck's sake. Jo, scheißegal. Kann damit leben. Alter. Guy with Mag Nitro the Bad. I don't even know tequila anymore. There's only 2 glasses here and that's it. Unbelievable. Muss ich gleich nochmal einen Saufhalter drauf. Keine Ahnung, ist auch ein Zucker drin, oder? Nein. Kalorien hat schon gescheit. 400 Kalorien pro Flasche. Das ist ja gar nichts. Ja, halt ich nicht. Ich glaube, von denen werde ich ja nicht fett. Ich weiß nicht, von was ich so fett werde. Huh. Sind hui. 28 Minuten hättest du noch zum Rewe. Scheiß drauf. Es gibt ein Moving Mate. The music is so loud right now, I don't can hear the car anymore. Because the cell phone just shifted something on the volume. I don't know what happened. It's now double time louder than before. The last corner is so dark. Sometimes I'm going too fast in that cornering. Oh, is it a 50k? Is it a 50k? No! So close. I didn't watch. Before I'm sometimes watching backwards and make the lights on and off. I'm watching the points before the finish line comes up, and I saw already the 48 to 49 and say, oh my god, here's 750 at these points, you know, these DP points. Oh, holy crack. That's why I didn't watch backwards anymore. Oh, what the hell. No, well. Nice one. The car is a lot stable somehow. Crack. Homie. Zusatzkühler oder wie? Das kleine Ding soll es bringen. Na, ich weiß ja nicht. The surprise array. Ja, ich möchte, weißt du, ich kann nicht atmen, die Nase ist zu. Weiß nicht, was da los ist. Fucking Horsecock Semen Farmer. Strokes and horsecocks to get the semen out. Oh my god. A lot of shit. If you called 16 times, actually 911. 911. Kabarimas. Ah, jetzt ist wieder leise geworden. Das muss ich jetzt aber auch nicht verstehen. Oh, hier ein bisschen nervig. Jetzt ein Scheiß, Alter, warum dreht er sich jetzt auf einmal? Aber läuft der Ventilator heute nicht, oder warum rauche ich die ganze Zeit? Was ist denn heute los? Ah, man. It's definitely not my day. Oh, what the hell? It's a scratchy day today. A scratchy day today. A 600 XP, look at that. What about actually level 27? Kind of... Oh, here we go. Sorry for that one. A 100k on XP we need. That's a lot. Yeah, that's a fucking lot. That's 200 drifts. 200 racings. Crazy crack. Seriously, crazy crack. A lot of drifts. A surprise, surprise. D.R.O. What the hell is wrong? Heute schaut aber auch keiner zu, hä? Das ist schon echt krass, ja. Schaut denn heute keiner zu, Alter? Hab ich irgendwas falsch gemacht? Alter Schwede. Everybody hates Chris. Oh, party boy. Party. Oh, somebody likes it. Weird. There's nobody watching. How many people are watching actually in here? Let's see. 4. I'm second in here. Weird. Was ist denn mit der Nase heute los? Ich krieg den Rotz aber auch nicht raus. Sag mal so, da kommt unendlich Rotz nach. Let's do gin a bit. Let's get drunk in no time. Just kidding. Ganbarimasu. Fucking shit. Oh, what should I do, goddammit? Stupid corner there. Cars too floaty, it's always slippy too much. And I'm driving on ice. Holy crap. No grip. Nothing works today. Getting worse and worse. Some days like these, you know, you can drift, but the car don't want. And this is one of these days. I have to focus, I know actually everything, but today the car is just sliding too much away. I don't know. Sorry, not my best day. Whatever, who cares? Thanks for watching. Maybe. But nobody's doing actually watching today. I'm not sure why they are so busy on a Wednesday. On a Wednesday. I don't know. Ne, ich sollte wohl einfach scheißen gehen. Einfach mal ordentlich durchdrücken, Junge. Und weißt du, was wir vergessen haben? Klopapier hochzuholen. Ja, ich hab schon noch ein bisschen was, so ist nicht, aber... Oh, da wieder vergessen, der Bub. Irgendwas war, ich muss in den Keller runtergehen, aber ich wusste nicht warum. Ich hab's vergessen. Fuck. Ja, dann machen wir es morgen früh gleich, schmeiße ich dir das einfach in die Box da rein. So, Backle. Damit der Wäsche reinhauen in der Früh um 6. Ja, sagen wir ja Blähungen. Sagt man, jetzt habe ich Diarrhea oder so. Aber voll hardcore. Extrem harte Diarrhea. Richtig die ganze Toilette durchschießt. Ja, sag einmal, lauter Blähung hat. Ich bin vom Radlersaufer. In the end, da bist du ein Vollidiot. Das kann ich dir gar nicht anders sagen. Hey, die Nasen, ey. Was ist denn da los? Warum ist die so dicht? Da ist aber auch nichts drin oder so. Da ist ein Popel drin, extremst, ja. Tasty Mother... Well, actually, closely, he's 43, we just did, right? 41. I crashed too much. And not even a 612 or 548. Crashed too much. I can't get air today in my... Jetzt geht die Katsche wieder unter den Kamin, oder? Got shocked schon wieder. The last time the cat was going actually on the roof, going down under the steel chimney. What the fuck? How is she coming back actually again? That's a crazy cat. Huh. I don't know why. She likes to lay down there and then she's going inside of it, came on the other side again out, and here we go again. What the fuck? How did you came inside of this? That's a real crazy cat. Crazy Mother Talk. Jetzt schaut der Kamin rauf, Alter. Du wirst doch nicht hochspringen wollen. Geht's dir noch zu gut? Das schafft er niemals. Zwei, 4 Meter sind das. Kätzlein, da springen sie niemals. Muhahahaha. She's so lonely. That cat is so lonely. Lonely cat. Nearby the chimney at the compound. Lonely. Just a lonely cat. Such a lonely cat. Takes a walk over the steel roof. Lonely. So lonely cat. Standing on the steel roof and watching that bird bread. Loudly. Alright, I haven't heard this one. Sorry. Was the beat here right now of the last night of the video or something, this crack, you know, this folk music. Today I'm so bloated. 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 Ah. No, I know. Well, I need to order. This is this cream de la cream, right? Not the repair cream. These lavendel are fine ass as well. Does its job and smells good. Hold on. Lavendel cream. Schauen wir mal, warte mal. Oh Gott, alter Sack. Ryzen. Wie heißt denn die Marke? Timely. Timely. Halt wirklich Timely. Arnica Gel. Geh mal ein, warte mal. Timely. Ah, hier steht schon Timely Gel. Ja. Schauen, was mich das damals gekostet hat. Oh, haben sie nicht mehr. Ach nö, oder? Machen wir es mal so. Timely. Oh, hä? Oh, das ist sogar Unterwäsche. Was Mann? Timely. Timely. Timely Y. Hab ich mit Y, oder? Ja. Timely. 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 Wo hab ich die gekauft, Alter? What the fuck? Ah, dann Nika Gel. Gib mal ein Nika Gel ein. What the hell? Gibt's die nicht mehr? Wann habe ich die damals gekauft? Aha. Ja, da ist schon was, aber das ist nicht die Originalding. Oh, was ist denn heute los mit den Blähungen? Oh mein Gott. Ich glaube, ich stirb. Was hast du da? 200. Ein 200er hast du da gekriegt. Was ist noch das für Zeug? Hemp. Pferdesalbegel. Oh mein Gott, das ist ja was ganz krasses. Extra stark. Schnelle Wirkung, kühl, Muskelkatergel. Ach, das ist ohne Scheiß. Oh, das wusste ich gar nicht. Hoppala. Auf von dem liegt. Von dem gibt es nicht noch. Ah, ich bin jetzt bald fertig, Alter. Hust, Reizen, Schnupfen, Alter. Ich glaube, ich bin krank. Ah, welche Sau hat mich da schon wieder angesteckt? Schiebe ich alles auf den Baggerfahrer. Ist, ja, steht jetzt da mal irgendwas, oder wie? Wo hab ich denn die gekauft? Das ist auch eine 200er. Deutschland, Gel mit Arnika. What the hell? Warum gibt's die nicht mehr? Komisch. Beschwerden. Die hat nicht mal so viel gekostet, Alter. Fuck, Alter, die ist rar. Ich finde die nicht mehr. Wo habe ich die damals gekauft, verdammte Kaxe? Verdammte Axt wollte ich gerade sagen. Ich Kacke, ja. Sorry für den. Ja, bestell eine. Scheiß drauf. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Wo habe ich die bestellt, verdammt nochmal. Sehr komisch. I don't know. Oder habe ich die mal geschenkt bekommen? Es könnte schon sein, dass die mir Oma mitgegeben hat. Oder Mom. Keine Ahnung. Huh. Über eine verdammt gute Creme. Leck Arsch, hat er gesagt. Die schmieren wir jetzt einfach dann auf. Na, ist Knackle. Na, die riecht einfach verdammt gut. Ringelblüte oder so. Hammer. Alter, ich schwitze in meinen Ohren drin. Oh, sorry. Today is a talking day. Boah, das schaut schon übel jetzt heute wieder aus, ey. Brutal. Leck, Fettarsch. Das ist bis heute noch nicht geheilt. Oh mein Gott, Alter, das ist ja schon gar nicht mehr wahr. Alter, das habe ich mir zugezogen vor 6 Wochen. Jesus Christ. Was ist noch los, Alter, mit den Knie? Muss ich mal einen Arzt aufsuchen. And let me guess, if I have vacation, my doctor has vacation, 100% it's always like that shit. Wash leck. Cheers up, campaigner, Schraube, salut, salut, Goldbros, Diebnack spielen. Gott, der ganze Motz halt hier. Oh, what the hell? What's going on? Dang. That was just luck. Not possible actually with a BMW. Oh crap. Having a sleeping day today? Meanwhile, under the driving, a vehicle on the road, right? Oh, taking a nap. Oh shit. I'm out power today. Battery cells actually by 5% or something. Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2, Part 397. Well, I'm enjoying my night time actually with drinking tequila, a little beer with vodka, and some Simsala gin. That's it. What should you say actually on playing a video game and drifting around? And I'm dealing done kind of for a year to deal done with this game. 2 hours every day. Yeah, actually that's it. The progress is actually running in the loading time here in my brain. I'm outsourced. So, I just can say hello and thank you very much for watching and just abgepeilt, das Strawberry Salute groß in the DjVolgin spielen. And I have a little time or something, I make this guy a little bit angry, guy the Mac and Nitro the Bat. Oh my god. Little extra hats, my sir. How you feeling now, guy the Mac? Hanging around. Hanging around, eh? Oh. I lost tequila drip. I thought actually I have another bottle. I don't have. Nope. So we done with then later on rum and cola. Oh gosh. Sugar plus sugar is... You got fat ass, y'all. Verdammte Axt. Ich weiß nicht, warum ich heute so erkältet irgendwie bin mit der Nase. There's no reason. A lot of stuff in my eyes today. Little sandy work today, eh? Next vehicle. Elegant. Oh. Muss aufs Klo. Ja, Schmarrn. Feuchtgebiete in meinem headset. Just get these earplugs inside and headset actually on them, right? And inside it's getting wet. I'm my first boat today. Ah. The beer citrus mix actually is fantastic. And there's a little vodka in there. Amazing. A liter, $2. Everything's fine ass. Understood. Want to try again? Where it was before. Let's do something else with. What the hell was that? Was that a bee? Look at that. So irgendwie doppeldeutig, oder? Precious little diamond. Cloud stand still, no thunder, no wind, nothing. 20 o'clock, 8 o'clock p.m. here in Germany, Bavaria. Well done, Art. Cheers up, Kappa, and the Strawberry Salute, was hat die schnell gespielt? Erst einmal eingeschaut, ob da überhaupt noch was liegt. Freie Bahn, oder? 43 minutes here right now on the live stream. DC time. DC means 43, right? Oh, Camelot, what the hell? R.I.P, dude. Skeeto here. Skiing in here. Having some issues. And oh gosh, why these actually sporty guys dealing done with them? These skidoo and over the snow and stuff like that, and braking here, braking there, or neck brake or something else, and oh crack. I never was, and I don't care. No skateboarding, so I don't can actually ski or something like being done with a snowboard or something, you know. So fuck this crap. Want to take my bike, my mountain bike, and just going over the road, drives by itself, cool. Camaradas, I mean, let's go, keep on moving. Good luck. What the heck was that? Oh crap! This car is fast. No. Fuck it. Oh, it has the engine from the truck. The fourth gear. I love it. Oh, it's the fifth gear. Here we go. Oh. I like these truck engine cargo in this game. Ejay, holy crap, what the hell was that? Everything's good. I think the game was sleeping as well. Crack the physics. It's calming the system. One tire on the road? Oh, come on, guys. It can't be real. Oh, finally. God damn it. This car is heavy. Sloppy tire work. I couldn't find myself actually something on the car, so I just designed it by myself and I fucked it up. This car's too much swinging. I don't know. Too many corpses in the trunk or something. Så kunne de bare være så jævne i kalden trunk, Gibt's eine Dusche wieder daher? Oh, ich hab meine Gummistiefel mal gelassen vom Saustall. What the fuck was that? Even there? Oh my gosh. The car's swinging good. Sometimes I was feeling, what's the 750 when it comes up? Nothing. The last actually sip from the tequila. I need to get me a tequila tomorrow before we're driving home in the compound. XDS up your ass. I'm a total enemy about to use XDS mode. I'm not good in this crack. Here we go again. 2 tires. Right. Let's drive the car on the same road because the engine. I think I just was drunk or something. I made actually these vinyl decal paint on it. R.I.P. But a R.I.P is actually you sending someone and you get sent it. That's an import, right? The digital market. Something like that. And that was definitely too much. No, that was I think counting, right? Yeah, 1 tire on the road. Consolation, you're talking to yourself. Handshake. Third handshake, alright. Now I'm starting not to morph and splitting myself, right? Into 2 persons. Just kidding. A little force then. Seating the whole room actually with the farts. Where's the cargo? Hold on. I need to watch in here. Favorites. Let's see, because it's the same engine. Excuse me. Come in aside. Only a 22. Okay, let's do it. What was it before? 30 something? Can't remember, sorry. I'm too slow today. I'm sleepy.
Kerala. Kerala. You've got something actually on Facebook to watch for. Yesterday I watched actually something, a post from Facebook more than 16 years ago. Started up actually on these PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 and stuff. No, hold on, PlayStation 3 only. Started up actually making trophies. Is that true? 16 years? 2008? Hold on. Yeah, wow, seriously, yeah it is. That was Resident Evil 5. And that was, I think, Uncharted or something, the first game I made trophies with on the PlayStation 3, but then Resident Evil 5 was coming as well as demo version, trail version or something in German, in English, sorry. And I loved it. I loved Resident Evil 5, especially the trail version. The chainsaw stuff, you know, oh crack. I found actually a video on YouTube then. That was the time actually I started up these YouTube with DevRekka. 3 years later after the army time, DevRekka, R.I.P, 2nd November 2022, died on YouTube. That's why I have a new account, the third account actually on YouTube right now, after so long time, to 16 years. DjVolgin. Oh well, a definition for real, better say. Time's running and ticking. I don't know. How older I get, how faster it is. Today I was waking up, watching actually 2.5 Men in the morning time a bit. Watching the time. Oh my god, I'm getting Lucy. It's 6 o'clock in the morning time. We have to wake up. I mean, stand up, you know. I thought actually it's Saturday. No, it's Wednesday. Wednesday. Yourself. Yeah. Crack. What's this little fly in here doing? Fruit fly, goddammit. Get away. It's my gin. Wow, now these sparkle stuff in the gin comes up in my mouth, or what? In my stomach. Seems to be... Is it poisoning or something? Make cancer? Oh, I don't know. Typical German. Always like, me, 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 me. You done something with me? It hurts so much. I scratched myself a little bit here and there. Oh, hold on, about a little scratch in here, yeah. Alright. Cut myself with the steel mat actually today. Can we go? Somebody must. Love the cargo. And the 4th gear. What? Don't go there. Same shit. Oh crack. I'm in trouble. Oh, not anymore. Crack. Couldn't stop the car. Takes a long time to recover. Oh my gosh. Same points, look at that, 30k. I crit Lucy, yeah.
Selbst gemacht, Sulz. 555.
Was?
130. 103, hört sich doch gut an. Drauf schießen oder so.
Holy crap. What I know about this European, the FIA European Truck Mastership game there, you need to actually cool down something with the vehicle. So as using a truck to drift, like here in the game, is so unrealistic. The brakes are overheating, the engine's overheating, everything. You need a brake. You can't drift like that, I think, in real time, like I've even done with CarX, right? I don't know, it's bullshit for me. Or maybe it's working. I do not know. Made in Nippon. No. The Japanese are never saying hiya. No, these are actually the crazy guys actually from America. They're thinking they can karate or something. Hiya! Exactly. Maybe on your toilet when you actually went off of your toilet paper. Hiya! Question time. Gut ist das Bier, leck der Arsch, das muss ich schon sagen. Und dir die da, die kriegst du schon. Buh! Ich glaube, langsam muss ich auf Mais holen. Oh mein Gott. Yes, yes, sir. Coming up with good music. Thank you very much for your service, little cargo. Couldn't find something around the impression on the rob. Hey, there was something you can colorize this one, right? I don't know if I can deal done with that. Well, I thought actually the pattern, right? Is aquamarine blue and the white one. Seems to be good. No, well, you wanna save it? Arigato domo, Montane. Circle went off here right now. 1 centimeter left. Excuse me. Kom maar dat zei. Skål. Also ich hab lauter Blähungen. Soll ich das wirklich saufen jetzt, den ganzen Scheiß da? Oh, Alter. Da ist das ganze Glitterzeug drin. Der Farbton magnische Wandel. Oh, das nehme ich morgen in die Arbeit mit und zeige das mal an Julian. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich das saufen soll. Und frage ich den Bauherr nochmal, weil das geht so nicht, Alter. Boah. Ich habe keine Ahnung. There's some glitter thing in there in the Gin, right? In these Simsalabim Gin Magic Glitter Edition. And these glitter actually right now down below on the floor, or the say the bottom. And I don't know really if I want to drink that. I don't know. Is it poisoning yourself or something? Or I really do not know. Let's talk about that actually tomorrow on the construction side. Alright guys, I need actually rum and cola. So hold on a second, I need a little time. Some ice cubes. Here we go. What the man? That sucks my day. Cola, uni. Brutal. For the week. Oh, the mango looks good. You getting yellow? Yay! Hey, they're looking great. Coming up. What about the rum bottle, you fool? Fuel or fool? First up the cola, of course. No, holy crack. Okay, I think there was a lot of sparkle in there. These 2-liter cola, right? If you, I don't know, you have them. That's enough, the rest is rum. Oh my god. Half cola, half rum. I understood. But these kind of cola bottle with 2 liters, I don't know, they're losing so fast the sparkling. And I like sparkling stuff. You can bulb. It's tasting good. Full of sugar, of course. I think now I decapitated actually some cucumber or something in my fridge. Here we go, fill it up. A whole bottle of rum. And now, let's go to pee. How was your work day, watchers?
Outsiders. How was your day? Howdy, you just new, right? Watching? Alright, let me know about something down below the comments.
Oh no, I'm standing in front of my toilet and I can't pee because so many high alcohol. High alcohol for me actually over actually these 5%. The gin has 42.5 or something, and these tequila have 38. Can't remember. 38, I think, yeah. Then you're standing in front of the toilet and trying to pee, and actually only 1 or 2 drips are coming out. Oh, that's it. Hey boy, what's going on down below? Are you falling down right now or off my body system? That's why sometimes I'm drinking a little beer or something with it. Not the water, oh my god. So many people saying actually tequila or rum or something, and then they're drinking sparkling water nearby with something else on it, mango, citron on it, or I don't know. This is what the hell? Drink beer. It's perfect stuff then. So no ice cube because it's very cold, alright. Motoka. Geh mal, wo sie Luther draus, der fängt so zu windeln. Na, der Schmarri halt. Der Tag war halt schon ein bisschen lausig. Nichts für ungut, aber ist einfach so. Der Bauherr wird sich auch denkt haben, zäh fix, die Schalung hast zerrissen. Was für Deppen, die kennen sich ja schon mal von hinterm Front gar nicht aus. Aber einseitige Schalung ist schon echt arschverfickt beschissen. Ich hasse sie ohne Ende. Da müsstest 8 Stützen erjagen, da warst du sicher. Aber 1,75 Kubik Beton, wenn du reinjagst, das macht schon viel aus. Also leckt mir mal. Ich habe immer einen Haufen Respekt vor so einer Mistkacke. Normale Schalung links und rechts aufbauen, Beton reinlassen, kein Problem. Da kann eventuell die Schalung einmal aufhupfen, aber so schwer wie die Schalung bei uns jetzt ist, da wo eine schon 200 Kilo wiegt, kein Ding nicht. Aber ohne Scheiß, das ist echt fies. Einseitige Schalung, du kannst nicht genug anspreizen, die haut's da weg wie nix. Das macht einfach nur klack. Und auf einmal ist ein Kubik einfach unten weg. Am Beton. Concreting, yeah, from one side. This is just bullshit. Oh, holy crack, so many dirt in my eyes. Why? The last drip of the tequila. Ah. Was ist mit dir? König der Dinge. Oh, schau mal, du kriegst doch gar nichts mehr in den Griff, Junge. Prinzesschen. Jetzt ist der Teufel.
Book die bloß noch mehr.
Cheers up, Capano, Strawberry Salute, Skull Prost. And the next beam, Skull. Now we're drinking rum and cola. Sugar plus sugar. Tequila is fine ass, has not much sugar in there. Kind of 300, 400 calories or something on the... what is that actually? 700 milliliter or something. That's okay, but rum and cola, oh my gosh. I think 1,000 calories on a liter or something. Cola and rum, swear off. Sugar and more sugar and I don't know. A lot of sugar. I was drinking them permanently actually after the construction work when I was playing Candy Crush 2 years long on the computer system. Here while I just was playing actually some other games on the PlayStation, but I was drinking them a lot. Oh crack. The aggression, my moodiness. That's not cheap, that's the other one. Let it off, let it off. No, this gin, seriously, I need to assuredly actually I need to get it to the laboratory or something. Just let it check it out about this glitter thing right now. There's so many glitter in there. I can show you that, right? Hold on, maybe it is possible. You see that? There's a lot of these glitter thing in there. I'm not sure. It's actually right now close to the emptiness. If that is poison or not. I'm not sure about that one. I'm sorry about that one, but I have a little bit frightening about my, you know, healthiness about that stuff. I'm sorry. Need to let actually the other construction worker a little bit around of them. Maybe you get diarrhea or something, or you just get a real contra problem. Cheers up. Hump hump. Ganbarimasu. Ganbatte. Oh, that's why the car's so... Uh-huh. Here we go. I can hear the car exactly. I got this Spotify ear plugged in. Oh, I crashed. Fucking hell. Not showing up. Dang. Nothing has to smile anymore, little girl. Your car crashed. Cracked. The one iris of that that girl's eye of the iris, I put it in this actually kind of aquamarine, actually a little pink, and that white strong. So this is a little different, the ROP I downloaded it. So sometimes the ROPs I download, I change a lot of these cars then. But I can't actually upload again. So it looks more hard and sexy. Kind of these blonde or gray, blue eyes. Have a little touch, you know. Somebody goes around the half, you little touch. The silver, blue, hold on. Gray? Yeah, gray, sorry. Gray and green. Or gray and hazelnut bright or something, so blonde like that. So that's why I was in the touch actually on this left side on the eye. That is so good. But after 6 hours and maybe 9 hours, my body system is going a little bit, you know, the body system knows it's too much sugar in there and I can't sleep then, and I don't know, there's too much sugar in there, just only too much sugar in there. If I get actually itched, or better say stinged by a mosquito, it takes a minute, I can scratch all over my body system. But these rum and cola, it takes 6 hours or something that the blood system recognize you going crazy now. A bit dangerous then. Money? Can we find that ROP here somewhere? Here we go. We own car since 12th. Oh, that was the 12th April. Okay. I like to make this up. Sometimes it takes a whole day or something, but I don't give a fuck. It's worth. Definitely. No, sorry. It's just shitty, you know. All right. But you know, yeah, I know, what do you mean? It's actually fast enough and that's fine as. Let's recalculate. Let's try. Stupid chin. Be fair. Nighttime. A bit icy, a bit snowy. I just want to go online tonight. We have 20 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 36 p.m. here right now in Germany, Bavaria. The Americans have right now, I don't know, some 13 to 14 o'clock, 36. Or maybe earlier. The Japanese are already waking up to go to work. They have 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 36. So we have only rum and cola and actually these original stuff because of gin I can't drink anymore. I don't believe that. Oh, that music is so fun ass. Right here is what I'm listening for and it brings me so much down. If you have Spotify, just enjoy that. Instead, if you just want to listen to the full URL playlist, enjoy this one.
URL.
Here we go. Enjoyed.
Deaf Nation's CarX D.R.O. 2024.
Actualized. Thank you very much for watching, guys. You know, these rum and cola is not like sprintful. It's just lazy, cold, and you know already there's sugar in there. Taste is awesome. Rum? I don't know. Gambarnas. I just put on the music because of you guys. Maybe it's get boring or something. It's always this boring music. Dun, 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 dun. That's why I don't like the music in this game anymore. There are 3 titles of 22 titles or something on it. Let it guess, actually 14 titles. 3 of them I like very much. I'm sorry, that's why I hate actually the in-game music so much. We should change something about actually the longness of the transmission. But ice and snow, it's always like, you don't know, maybe it's fit very much on the tarmac. Yeah. I don't know. Tried actually to pee, couldn't pee. It's the high alcohol. There's my laundry. Up tomorrow. And I hope I'm not begging by myself. Remember, getting toilet paper in this box, please. Please. Throw them, old guy. I'm Bavarian German, I'm done. Don't worry about that one. Let's do a test drive. Okay, 1 test drive and we're changing the vehicle then. It doesn't matter, it's okay, everything's good. Let's try a 40k. If this car can make a 40k, sorry, I just was eating before actually some cucumbers and stuff like that and salad. Mozzarella and mozzarella. It's always fresh, but it's not fitting together with alcohol. If you're just making vegetables or something and then drinking alcohol, meanwhile, it's not fitting. You get hulks and just diarrhea, or maybe you just get actually fart. I grew up in the farmerhood. I was a milk drinker. The first 8 years of my living. Caramels, right? Oh my gosh. I just need friends. I don't have. Sometimes you know, if you have friends, it's fun as. I'm a Pisces exotic sign. I grew up different. There was my stepmother, then the Patchwork family, and then I grew up by myself. And at the same time, I was working since my 6 years actually in the farmhood on my uncle's side, and that was fantastic and stuff like that. So I grew up actually with my hands. I can't explain that, okay? This is just construction work fits to me. It's a nice swap actually from 0.8 to 1.2 actually on a construction work. So my hands don't need gloves or something on, you know. Hand carrying protection stuff. No, I just want to try to tell you that these bacteria and viruses and something, and I'm not an what's that, COVID enemy or something. I never punctuating myself actually with these antidote stuff, and I just did that because I give a fuck on my life. There was never ever in my life a girlfriend. I mean, okay, there was in the main school, but hello, that's normal. But after all, I saw the enemy called job, construction work, with my 16-11 year or 15-11 year. I'm 37 right now. I don't need a girlfriend. I can handle myself actually every action. I have no license to drive a car. And in Germany, it's crazy as shit. I know in America, like in San Diego and California, you just make this up by $34. $160 actually on New York. There's only actually one traffic sign, very important. It calls stop. You need to stop. That's it. The parking, lousiness. If an American makes a license, a driver license here in Germany, I think he's dealing done with more than 20 times he needs to deal done to make it perfectly deal and done to get a driver license in Germany. If I'm going to America, are you German? You started up a license of a driving car and stuff like blah blah. Just pay me $100 and you have your car. You have your license, dude. So this is useless, stupid as shit. I have nothing to say that the Americans, I mean, they're leaning cars, they're looting cars in Germany. We need to buy it because it is better actually as loaning cars. What the fuck, America? Okay, I understand them. Prices are high, even in the supermarket. Buying a house or something, I understand them completely. But these kind of work, 16 hours a day or something, bull the mother shit. I'm earning a 25K in a year as a construction worker. In America, you need to earn more than actually 150K to survive. Why? It means actually if I'm going as a construction worker to America, earning 150K in a year, but I made a license. Okay, every state is different, I know that. Making my license drive, very easy then, by $600. Citizen membership or something for 1 year is kind of 600 as well. And going home with 125K to Germany. I'm rich. I'm fucking rich. In America, as you are ordered like you're poor. So 1 year in America, deal and done, making a little motel or apartment, doesn't matter. Yeah, it makes matter, of course, but deal and done a year long in America, making money as a construction worker. Seriously? 4 times the money as in Germany. I know the food is very expensive. I know everything else is so expensive there. But then 3 times more money when I'm coming back 1 year later in Germany again. In the same company where I'm working right now. What the fuck? This is so time saving. But I don't want to do this because this is so tricking. This is cheating. This is like I'm stealing money from America to Germany. I hate that. I don't want to deal down with this. There's something in my mind. I don't want to doing this. To reap them off and rape them, you know, by getting 3 times more than the money in the Germany. I just get actually done clean down $275,000 account on my German account from America after 1 year. Just there. 1 year. 10 times more money. The same time I was 1 year actually in America. 1 fucking year. Get 10 times the money as I'm working 1 year here in Germany right now. This is not fair. This is unfair. Inflation or something. But with that money, I can buy me actually in Germany not a house. No. I can buy me actually a ground for building up a house with that money. 2 years later, and so going back actually to America, make the same shit. I can build up actually my garage. The same time, actually 2 years later, then I'm actually 49. I can build up my own house. From America, swift transaction to Germany. I stole America a lot of money then. I mean, financial. And that's, I'm not doing. This is not fair. You know, I'm not an asshole. I respect the cultures. I respect what's going on. So please don't underestimate me wrong. I am working hard. Not really. There's some days actually you can smooth away and you can make more brain action instead of working. To let people know you're not dealing like this one. We have to handle like that one to get this really get done. And not actually the next day or the next 2 days we have to ricochet them, this kind of these reproduct them, deinsulate that very hard, and don't lose time. Use your brain, goddammit. And I know since actually my youngest hood, since I was into the hardware and software with computer, it feels like I have already 12 to 18 CPUs in my brain, right? Something like that. You be handle around these software, hardware, and these stuff. So my brain can use 12 to 18 CPUs in the same time, but it's near progressing, it's close progressing, having a clue progression. There's so many stuff running in my brain, and we actually human, and so we are biological, and all this stuff. Use them or not. I'm not training myself. I am not training my body muscle system anyway. I give a fuck. Since my 6th year, I just want to die because I learned my stepmother. I can't. This is a thematic for. I don't want to talk about that. Evil person versus a good person. She didn't work. She stole, and I was working very hard on the hops field, cereal field, or as a farm hood, right? She stole just the money wherever she can, trying to get us out of my own house from my father. My father was 6 days actually working. Sunday he came in home, listened about these problems, was going crazy, takes his car, drove another, actually stroking better say, around the blocks in a small village, came home after 1 hour, going actually to his workroom, and he's vanquished. So I started up to help him actually with this television stuff. Build up actually the cameras on the fields of football or skiing or something. I helped him because, and I talked a lot with these people my father was working with, that we have a stepmother to home, stealing my actually backpack, my school stuff, my money from the Hopsburg. Now she's starting up a new problem about this children stuff because they was getting a children, and I stole the money from the bank about the children's money bank stuff. But I said the money from the children, the $250 euro D-mark, so kind of $200, doesn't matter. How can I just with 7-8 years going to the bank without having a card and stealing the children the children money? And the perfect asshole shit was, I cracked the safe from my father. I never saw his safe in the basement where the safe was to make money or get money, stealing from my father. I never would steal from my father. My father was saying I did that. I'm burning my school stuff in the forest. My father, I hate him hard, and I hope he's dying on cancer hardcore. He has so many issues. He's an asshole. He was never a father from me. Even he was working to make money from my sister, for my sister and myself, how to get a good life. But he makes it ugly and shit. He really don't understand when I'm talking to him, maybe. I'm not talking since 4 years now. He's an asshole. And that makes my life so hard and bitter. I have no family left in my life. The rest of the family know the problem, understand that. My father ignore it. I have no family. I'm living alone and make my stuff by myself. So that's why I understand the safetiness and construction work. I learned myself so many stuff and parts for safetiness. That is a great part, and I understand. And physical and these when we starting up to, I can't explain you, but I have these kind of 4 or 5 CPUs are working in my brain. Not for safetiness, yeah, of course, for safetiness 3 CPUs, but the other ones are working actually for kind of, somebody is asking how we can make it dealing done to perfection, or how you can. And so my brain is just working. It feels like I'm waking up the next day as your backpack was stolen, your books was stolen, your money was stolen over the night from your stepmother. There's a system on me I can't explain. I have a lot of ideas how we can handle problems, and I like it. Even I don't need to think. It's just there. And thank you very much to the Patchwork family. I couldn't grow up in the same time for having a girlfriend. So I am totally away from girlfriends. Thank you very much, the Patchwork family. Just actually decreasing, having intellectual steroids or something, to being a bastard to having a girlfriend in your life. I am I have a dick, I have big balls and all this stuff. Everything's fine ass. But this Patchwork family just make me, what's that calling if you just have no dick anymore or so balls anymore? That's why I don't have a girlfriend. We're 37 right now. And I give a fuck. I don't want to ground the family. I watched my father. He was 6 times not there. On Sunday he was there. Didn't even talk to myself. A birthday is a birthday like a normal day. No presents, no nothing. I can't explain that shittily. I have a line. I just, with my 6th year, I tried the first time to kill myself, and it's bullshit. I'm still there. I'm 37 now. Because I found out that peoples have problems, and I can help them because I just was going through so many shit. I can help them. I have ideas. I need just only 5 minutes by myself, and if somebody's watching me, I wanna shit the motherfucker. I have a problem like that right today. We was working 7 hours, and people's watching me what I'm dealing and doing done, having no clue and nothing for myself to make me richer for ideas. They're just talking crap. Nothing as shit. In the end of the day, the half hour as the accident happened, they're just saying, oh, the concrete is very strong to get the fucking crap away, and breaking this off. Aren't they retarded? They're 50 years on the construction site, and let me know that I'm getting wrong. After 20 years on construction, what the mother? Alright, you asshole. You are sitting in your fucking conversion system in your fucking, I can't remember what the name is. In this fucking Baka, no. Aber ohne Scheiß, da habt ihr nicht sagen können, was daran gelegen hat, ne? Der Laden ist gebrochen. And I know a lot, actually, what's going on in here. Nobody trusts me. There's a lot of power of getting a concrete of one-sided on a wall that it explodes, actually. These fucking... I'm sorry, I have no idea what Schalung in the name is meaning in English. I was so pissed, and that's why I'm so fucked up. The rum cola is pulling in, and I'm standing in front of a toilet without peeing. My life was fucked up. Fucking really fucked up. I don't want to say I'm a loser. Oh, then kill yourself. Why are you talking like that? Actually, the beginning momentum was the people's just in Germany, Bavaria, is seriously crying for every little millimeter of thing. It was my fault, that's fault, blah blah blah, right? This is like your fault, and they just swapping over some other persons. Welcome to Germany, and I hate that. I really hate that. If it is my fault, then it's my fault. And then I need a regard, kind of these progression for the next day. Okay, listen up. I made this up, and they're up, and we can actually handle that one. So I'm not a guy that just going under the rock or something, right? I'm very strong in a moment, like I just dealing shit. I will handle it. Not illegal or something. I mean, legal, of course. I hate that. I learned a lot by myself, alone in my life. Since my 9th year then, I was a lot of alone to handle problems. And I don't know. I have no friends. I have no family. No house as a construction worker. It's kind of you buying a house, it cost you 2.5 million. I'm earning a 20k in a year. How many useful persons after myself and generations need to pay for that house? That's exactly 4. This is bullshit. To go to America, make 1 year actually a lot of money. You can buy actually the ground of the house. Then you need to go 2 or 3 years actually to America, steal them the money to build up a house. Like the Romanians going to Germany and making his houses remain from our material as well. They're stealing the material from Germany and the ours and all this stuff. And building cheap houses. You know, this is completely wrong we are dealing of. For 13 years, I mean 30 years, that was different. The price was low. You can build up a house by 200,000. Now you need to build up a house by 1.7 million. I'm sorry, I'm earning the same shit like for 15 years ago. How can I build up a house like that? I'm a construction worker. I know everything. I can build it up by myself in kind of 7 years. But I don't have the money. In America, everybody is leaning the cars, looning the cars. In Germany, we're buying the cars and having actually a lot of actually problems about kind of these insurance. But Americans going wrong with this direction of looning a car. The industry needs more cars, and what's with the old cars? What's with the old cars then? Get shredded and burned. The Americans don't care about emission, the healthiness of the air. They give a fuck. Like the Chinese and the Russians. We in Germany, we the only one on earth, we are trying to sorting actually the garbage. We're sorting problems. We're sorting everything. Nobody's behind us. Thank you very much, America, Asian or something else. These fucking rapes anyway. These fucking corrupt Muslims. We Germans tried the best over 100 years long, 200 years long, and we get shit off about a stupid idiot from Austria, a fucking Adolf Hitler. These motherfuckers, these Austria, need to get bombed. These motherfuckers just insulted us for war. And we German paying already, still we paying for the World War II. We still paying for that. I don't know even nobody anymore. Maybe then 14 people are still alive for the World War II. And we still paying to Poland. That's one part. This is totally bullshit. And so we Germany, we're the biggest assholes on all over the world. Everybody wants to hate us. How the motherfuck I should explain myself if I'm the mostly and the biggest guy? I can actually make records in weightlifting, football playing, being a keeper, make so many stuff actually down below here right now. I have ideas. I am so hated here because I'm German and talking English. Not like American superstar Arnold Schwarzenegger from Adolf Hitler land, Austria. He's still not speaking fluent fucking American English. He's an Austria. He's an fucking Adolf Hitler that was one time in California a little, you know, hyper down. Yeah, not up. I'm so sorry.
But you Americans, you totally are fools, have no intellection. Your intellect is kind of 110 or something. You're not building you up with your system by yourself. And the FBI is just like, let's loco actually still done some person and get it to Abu Ghraib or something and done your job and earning your 45k or something for that shit. Sorry, but America is piece of shit. A piece of shit. They have no brain. They're useless. Even the Mexican Americans, that was bigger in the system. Oh, by the way, that was for 6,750 years ago. But you don't know about that one. Yeah, whatever. There was Mexican and American together, but, you know. America breaks the world. The Muslims breaks the world. Islamistic. Actually, all these Middle Asian Europeans. But they're black. The assholes, stupid, have its own brain. Sorry, they just using you as like a puppet. Ronaldo actually makes this right. On the football field, soccer field, Americans. These black guys on soccer or football, they're retardless, have no respect. And if you see it like that one, what these white persons are be for them black guys and the Muslims, the religion is wrong. But alright, if you want actually, I hope America gets a lot actually. But the Quran, I hope America gets the real rightness to get Quran right now in there, not the Mexican. They're just really fucked up, these assholes. To know what's going on in Asian, European here right now. To find a problem solver. These asshole Americans don't know what's going on. They fucked it up with this 9/11. The Twin Towers was bombed down by the Americans by itself. By the V-fucking bombarding actually down below the basement. Not the flying objects that was coming up, but the FBI organized, CIA organized these flying objects with kind of, what's it calling? I don't know what's calling actually in English, outsider or something. They just pay them to make a new war under the Bush regiment. America is to 99% corrupt as like actually these terrorists in Middle East. They're making hands open up actually to make money. That's it. So America, sorry, I like you very much for the, yeah, well, that's it for the civilian, but the rest of it, you're terrorists. America is terrorist land number one. We in Germany, we try the best. After World War II, we the most wanted. The most wanted is America, number one. Number two is actually Middle East. And then it came over China, North Korea. Don't forget actually these battles actually in England. Fuck off. European, number one. To be the friendliest fucking nations all over the world. Then Japan is coming, of course. Forget about the African. There are terrorists all over. I'm sorry, there's nothing else. Canada, corrupt as shit. Don't give me some reason, but seriously, if I have the button of the atom bombs, I will actually completely the world bomb them. That nobody is surviving anymore on this fucking world. You're going the wrong world. You're going the wrong fucking direction. If you don't make peace, these fucking extraterrestrial will fuck us up anyway. You motherfuckers. If you're understanding right. There's some time to swirling around. They have no basics actually more to go back actually to this company actually. Because they're light years actually away, so hard for. We was just a project that we make the mess. The bad mess. Fuck that world. Everybody's an asshole. Everybody is an asshole. Don't want to help. I'm trying it. I try to find out what the fuck is going on. Bump the world. Make it up. Get everybody a gun, atom bombs. Bump that fucking world. It's over anyway. End time. If you're feeling free with your wife and your child, playing basketball with them, fuck it, forget it. It's from China. Everything's from China. America. What the fuck's going on? Your Tesla cars are bullshit. Everything is shit. Profit, 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 and more profit. This is a nothing to deal done with a life standard for a human. Making profit, pay more, and less you earn. They like it, and they are superstars like Elon Musk. They're superstars. You fucking fools. Everybody in China, they're bankers or Turkey. They need actually get raped off on an open TV. They get fucking decapitated. That every young children understand these asshole never came back. Get castrating his family or something else, sterilize. Or just bump the whole world. Please do it. Bump the world. We are nothing worth anymore. The extraterrestrials laughing over us. They need just fuel to get back actually on this fucking mothership. And these guys are just us. A front of 7,500 years ago. They lost contact to the mothership. They're watching all the times, helping sometimes, like on the Maya. But you idiots, you don't understand, right? Make whatever you just want to deal done. But I'm getting aggressive about this thematic. You're the best Persian. You're skilled best. You are a high intelligent Persian. You're a piece of shit, dude. You can't rescue the world because you one of this Persian high intelligent want to change the world about 8 billion peoples? 99% says go fuck yourself and 1% goes with you maybe. Of 1.1 million people. Fuck off. That's right, Greta Thunberg, I respect her. Always in Germany, because in Germany you can talk about that one, and that's it. But never where else on earth. Frost, forget about it. America, you get decapitated. East Asian or something, forget about it, you get stoned. Go to China, go to Japan will understand. Japan is like Germany. That's why I like Japan very much. They have a lot of plastic problems, I understand. But we in Germany, we cut down actually these atomic works. And these motherfuckers around us like France, Belgium, Denmark, Czech, Switzerland, Österreich, Austria, they're making up a new plant, atomic plant. That we can buy actually the engine, these power off them from them with a high price. We have no power plant anymore living here in Germany. And Americans, they are losers. America, you are just the losers number one. You are the terrorist number one and all over the world. You understand me? If I'm going to America, I will be a terrorist to you. Because you assholes, you're so insignified about Biden or Trump. These old guys, you are so stupid. Even Russia's president has the rule for myself to be a president all over the world, not Jinping. You Americans are lousy persons. Seriously. Sponsors, you're making deal and done jobs and deal and done some kind of jobs you just unwilling. You have a lot of stuff to deal done. Okay, I understand that. You're using your cell phone. Switch off the energy, the engine, kind of for your electronic. America is a piece of shit then. Trusting Elon Musk. Bill Gates was awesome, but Elon Musk is a joke. A clown person. And this is your president then. Hey, oh my god. Why actually Biden or Trump? These motherfucking fools. I like Biden better than Trump because Trump is a terrorist for America. But they like them. They are puppeteering them. Trump must be president again. Americans, you're already dead. Biden is a good person. And fucking sake that black guy. I can't remember Obama. But this guy was so healthy for America. Now Trump must be your ass fucker in your bag. Have fun, you fools. Sell yourself for Russia. Russia will sell off America. If Trump is being president, alright, let's deal done with it. Bump the whole world. Thank you, America. You are 99% totally idiots. Manipulated AIs, they robots, I need to go to Walmart. All these idiots, there are no normal persons in America anymore. 99% they're so retarded and stupid. Give a fuck about our missions, nothing else more. Make the world shit. This is the slogan for America. Make the world shit. I don't know, an American says, I want to be like Denmark, Sweden, European, actually whole European. We try to make it clean up. America just doesn't give a fuck about it. Terrorists you are. Worse than North Korea. Get together with Russia and the whole fucking world will fight you against. And China's our new direction then. That's the part. Have fun with the shit if you want it. I give a fuck about your election, about your fucking candidate of president. Make Elon Musk to your president. And Greta Thunberg will, in the second they bring him to court. Terrorists, terrorists, terrorists. America. Weapon lobby, weapon lobby, weapon lobby. Immigrants catch up. Whatever they can do, the FBI, CIA, all over the world, catching peoples and get it to Abu Ghraib or something. Terrorists, America, terrorists. And I am a German Bavarian, I have to say that. Since more than actually 45 years, you handle us like terrorists. You are #1 terrorist. American citizens as well. You little 320 million peoples over there. You all terrorists. Understand that. If Trump is coming to the presidential, you are terrorists. Have fun with it. Whatever, whatever, and whatever. I have something I don't care about. Deal done whatever you want to deal done, and I'm a small person, and then we will see. I am a person, I want to see a green planet again, and you just concentrated about to only make profit. This is the wrong way. The fucking wrong way. I got ideas, got stuff to get done, but you just give a fuck. You just handle it like China and Russia. You handle it like actually my surroundings in Germany. This is bullshit. We have to change. If you don't want to change, there's only one option. And it's not atom bombs, water bombs. There's something else. Have fun with it. You never can seem to done. And so many atom bombs, you don't have to fly it over like that one. It's time for that one. I give you only 1.5 hours. I mean 1.5 years, I'm sorry. 1.5 years. If this happens, good night. Order me a gun from a Romanian and shoot myself, because this is gonna be really rude. You went abroad, there's something else coming up in here. Don't want to get filmed. They can't film it anymore. Have fun. Why I know that? Because I have a little direction in my part of my childhood, making a little power on myself.
to let. I don't want to tell. This part of kind of you don't really understand. I don't understand even. I learned persons, they're not human. They not help me, but they understand what I actually going through. Taught me a lot. Well, I don't care. These are the lost persons actually I told you about before that. That they just have no engine, no fuel anymore left to go back actually to his kind of mothership. And they helped actually the Maya as well. And they're still there. The lost engine, what they have and the power they have is to crew down actually this planet. And they will see it and they make it. I don't want to be there in this time. What's going on then? See you motherfuckers? Just go away. You're lousy. You're lousy. You don't understand what I'm talking about. See that, you motherfuckers. Look at this piece of shit that's just gone and don't watch anymore and don't listen anymore. Wonderful. I hope this is so much. I'm praying for that. That it's happening in 8 months. Ich bin der Einzige, der Kontakt mit denen hat. Ich brauche nur 1 Stunde hier da hocken. 1 Stunde brauche ich nur da hocken. Für 5 Minuten das Wort gesagt, hintereinander. Dann ist die Welt scheiße wert. Dann ist keine Menschheit mehr was wert. Scheiß auf deine eigenen Kindergeborenen. Scheiß auf dein Leben, das was du vorgenommen hast. Es ist vorbei. Dank den Amerikanern. Die Amerikaner machen ja alles kaputt. Es wird Zeit. Die Welt muss sterben. Es ist genug getan. Schlimme Sachen. Verdammt nochmal, wenn ich immer präsentieren könnte, dass die mir glauben, dann wäre es komplett vorbei bei denen. Ich warte ja nur drauf. Ist nicht so, dass ich stolz drauf bin. Scheiß auf die ganzen Familien. Scheiß auf Amerika. Scheiß auf die ganzen Länder. Fuck diese scheiß Länder auf. Wenn ich jetzt das Wort sagen würde, dauert es nur ein paar Stunden und es wäre alles vorbei. Die ganze Welt würde sterben. Da kann mir jemand sagen, was sie wollen.
Salam.
Nein! Ja. Fucking Muslim. Ja, du Hurensohn. Dann mach deine eigene Scheiße auf, verdammt nochmal. Bist du so dämlich oder dumm oder so? Scheiß Amerikaner, scheiß verdammten Fotzen. Seid ihr zu dumm, dass ihr mal ein eigenes Lobby-Ding aufmacht? Ihr verdammten Hurensöhne. Seid ihr euch zu gnädig, gell? Hab keinen Bock auf die Scheiße. Macht nur, wann ihr es wollt. Ihr absoluter Schrott Amerika. Echt der letzte Dreck seid ihr, Alter. Scheiß Drecksfotzen Amerikaner, Alter. Kannst du deine Scheiße schlecken, Alter? Kannst du schlecken, Junge? Du Hurensohn! Kannst deine Scheiße schlecken? Schleck dich, du Anna Scheiße, Alter! Du Hurensohn!
Tut ihn nicht ab. Ich bin auf eurer Seite. Kaspion. Ich möchte was von euch lernen. Und zwar, ich glaube mal mehr Dinge. Ja. Chris. Bist du auch noch? Yes. Done it.
Du stirbst nicht allein.